Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Anisha. Can I have your resume?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give your self-introduction?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, myself Anusha. I am from Anmulanka. I have recently completed my graduation in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering at Srivahani Institute of Science and Technology in Tiruvuru. I completed my intermediate at Srinidhi Junior College in Tiruvuru. I completed my schooling from Gampalgudam. I am familiar with the languages of Java, HTML, CSS. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Based on your technical skills, can I ask some questions?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. To develop a Hibernate program, which files are required?
Ma'am, we have to develop a project in Hibernate. There are 4 files required. First one is configuration file, mapping file, persistence class and client program. In Hibernate configuration file, we have the connection database program we have to write. In mapping file, we have the property name and the class names we have to write. In persistence class name, we have to perform the property and ID class name with the setter and getter methods. In client program, we have to write the code from persistence class names. That's it.
Okay. How many methods are used in client program?
There are 4 methods. First one is section factory, transaction. Transaction means transaction is a group of statements. Either all SQL statements are executed, none of the SQL statements should be executed. In this transaction, we have the method section factory object equal to begin transaction. We have the close method also. Section is an object used for develop the Java application with the database. We have the method section object equal to open section factory. Section factory is an interface to develop the application with the database synchronization process.
Okay. Can you tell me the life cycle of Hibernate?
There are 3 methods: transient, persistence and detached. Once project class object is instantiated, it will goes to the transient state. If any modifications done, it will no updation on the database table. In persistence class, object created section, any modifications will done, it will update it on the database table. Once we close the section, it will close the Hibernate section in database.
Okay. To develop the persistence class, there are some rules. Can you tell me those rules?
Yes, ma'am. There are 4 methods. Class must be in public. The class must be in public default constructor. It have the private properties, and it perform the both setter and getter methods. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, Anisha, we will get back to you.
Thank you, ma'am.